Here I have Realme 5i, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly, you have to pick your language. I'll just stay with English. Tap continue. Then you have to select your region. Tap continue. Then you have to agree with user agreement and privacy policy and tap continue. You can join user experience program, but you can also disagree from that and disagree from these two. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network, you can just skip this step for now. Then you can enable Wi-Fi assistant, but you can also just skip this step. Then you have Google services. If you want them, just leave them, but I suggest you to disable them. And in any case, you'll have to accept Google terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up your fingerprint, face and password, but you can also skip this step and do this later in settings. Then you can enable auto updates overnight. You can also disable this feature, so see for yourself. Tap continue. Then you can import data from your previous device, so tap import data from an old phone if you want to do this, or just tap set as new, and device will be ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.